Welcome to our Tzunami tutorial video. This tutorial will demonstrate how to control the content migrated to SharePoint using the Pending Commands option. Deployer lets you work offline. Any changes that are performed will be virtual until we press the button which says Commit. During commit, the actual content is written to the target SharePoint. The Pending Commands option lets us control which changes we would like to commit to our target SharePoint. For example, when deploying items using Tzunami Deployer, warnings may occur. These warnings may indicate several different issues, such as exceedingly long file names, blocked extensions, and so on. After finishing our deployment, Deployer notifies us that some of these items will fail in the commit phase. These warnings also appear in the deploy reports with their description. We can see 4 warnings from our recent deployment. 2 items cannot be written to SharePoint because they end with a blocked extension, and 2 items were successfully deployed, but with a different name, since they do not comply with SharePoint's naming conventions. To avoid this, we go to Data, Target SharePoint 2010, and choose View Pending Commands. This can also be achieved by pressing the F7 button. In the Pending Commands window, we can view all of the commands that were deployed but not yet committed to SharePoint. Here we can choose if we would still like to commit these actions. In our demonstration, perhaps we can selectively choose not to migrate the 2 files with blocked extensions. We'll uncheck them from the list, and they will not be committed to SharePoint. We can leave the 2 items that were deployed with a different name because they were already renamed by the deployer automatically. This allows us to specifically choose the content we wish to avoid in our migration to the target. The actions that are unchecked will not be committed by the deployer. Another way to control the content we wish to remove is by modeling the SharePoint structure in our target panel. For example, if we migrated the entire list by mistake or in an incorrect way, we can simply right-click on it and choose Delete. Using this method, we can easily remove undesired content from the target. Essentially, we are undoing all or part of a virtual deployment. Keep in mind, none of these changes are written to SharePoint until we press Commit. Deployer gives us full control of how the target structure will be modeled. This concludes our Tzunami tutorial video on pending commands and content removal. Please contact our support team for any further questions or scenarios, and be sure to check out the rest of our tutorial videos.